In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate WordPress to Cloudways. If you've ever moved a live WordPress site before, you already know why this can feel stressful. Manual migrations often mean exporting databases, moving large media libraries, reconfiguring files, and hoping nothing breaks along the way. The good news is that Cloudways makes this much simpler with its WordPress Migrator plugin, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you the full process from setup to final domain switch. First, head over to the Cloudways platform and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to the servers area. If you already have a server running, open it. If not, create a new one by choosing your preferred cloud provider, selecting a server size that fits your site, and launching it. For most production sites, giving yourself enough memory is a smart move for stability. After that, add a fresh application and choose Standard WordPress. Give it a clear name so you can easily identify it as your migration target, then wait a minute or two for Cloudways to build the clean destination site. Next, switch over to the WordPress dashboard of the site you want to move. In the left menu, open Plugins and click Add New. Search for Cloudways WordPress Migrator, install it, and activate it. Once it opens, the plugin will ask for a contact email and then take you to the migration form. Now go back to your Cloudways application in a separate tab. In Access Details, copy the temporary application URL and paste it into the plugin's destination site URL field. Then copy the server's public IP and place it into the SFTP host field. After that, find the database name in the database details section and paste that into the matching field in the plugin. You'll also need application credentials. Create a temporary SFTP username and password inside Cloudways, then copy those into the plugin's SFTP username and password fields. Leave the advanced settings at their defaults unless you have a specific reason to change them, then start the migration. At this point, the plugin begins transferring your files and database directly to Cloudways. You'll see a progress bar while it runs. Depending on the size of your site, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to around an hour. It's best to keep the browser windows open until the process is complete. Once the migration finishes, open the temporary Cloudways application URL in a private browser window and test the site carefully. Check pages, images, layout, and content. Then try logging into the migrated WordPress dashboard using your existing admin login. If everything looks good, go to Domain Management in Cloudways, add your domain, and make it primary. Then log into your domain registrar and update the main A record so it points to your Cloudways public IP. If your WDW version also uses an A record, update that too. Finally, return to Cloudways, open SSL certificate, choose Let's Encrypt, enter your email and domain, and install the certificate. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now migrated to Cloudways and ready to go live with minimal downtime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.